Here's a little tutorial on how I did these burning coal nails. So I started with this dark gray from Luxa. It's called Midnight Rebel. And after you cure it, make sure you wipe it down with alcohol. This is very important. It should look like this matte finish. Going in with whiteout, I'm going to do the tiny cracks. I do one big crack and then have little smaller offset ones. Do these very rigid. They should look like lightning strikes or tree branches. Once you're happy with it, cure it, and then grab your pigments. These three are perfect for any type of fire design. So I take the lightest one and then pack it in the center of the biggest crack. And then go with the orange around the yellow part, and then with the red around the orange part. Don't worry about the fallout because we're going to use our little fluffy brush it off, and then it should look like this. It'll only stick to the white. I like to seal in all my pigment designs with a generous amount of Luxa base. So here I'm just floating a big amount of base over the entire nail before I top coat. And here's the finished look. I hope this helped.